Sripadarajam Sharanam Prapade, Shripad Sri Vallabha Charitra Amrutam. Chapter 8, Description of Incarnations of Datta. Part 3, this part gives the grace of Lakshmi. Result of Parayana is for obtaining children and for the grace of Lakshmi. The secret of karma. This surrounding area, which is constantly reverberating with the chanting of Shripada's name and is filled with thoughts about him, is overflowing with auspicious and sacred vibrations. Narsavadhani is a Brahmin by birth, but all the material, mental and spiritual pulsations in his house are venomous. Therefore, Sripada rejected hospitality in that Brahmin house, which was filled with polluted, airy atmosphere. This is the secret. Living beings should have some castes to take birth following the principle of karma in the process of evolution or revolution. This arrangement was made for that purpose. John, a German national, was a seeker of Brahmanyan. Because of his sincere efforts, he had the good fortune of having the vision of Sripada in Kurvapuram in the final stages of spiritual evolution. He was blessed with the efficacious grace of Sripada even though he was an alien. Though a resident of Pitakapur, Narsavadhani could not recognize Sripada as an incarnation for many years. Hence, he could obtain the grace of Sri Datta even after recognizing him only after a great and arduous effort. Then Shankar Bhatt questioned like this: Sir, you said that living cells undergo changes. Then will each race have a soul of its own? What is the idea behind the statement that Parvati Devi is the daughter of Himalaya mountain? Then Tirumala Das spoke thus: Every race has a soul. That is a mental matter. That is a part or a portion released from the divine soul, Sri Datta. That is a great power which has always a direct connection with it. Race is not a collection of individuals born in it, as you mistakenly assume. In that collective individuality, the various strengths, efficiencies and attributes of all the concerned individuals lie inside. Just as living cells exists in the living individuals, in the same way each village, each town and each country have their own souls. The earth in which we live also has a soul. We call that soul as Bhumata, Mother Earth. It means that we call that deity favoring the earth as Bhumata. Her soul is a great mentally related Mahashakti emanated from the Supreme Soul. In the same manner, the patron deity of Himalayan mountain is named Himavantha. Himavati is the daughter of that Himavantha. When it is said that Yamadharmaraja is a son of sun god who is a witness of all things, the meaning is that he is a divine soul who delivers judgment depending upon the good and bad deeds of living beings and punishes sinners. Only on account of Surya Bhagavan, all living beings are deriving the necessary life force to undertake respective activities. The sun adorning the sky is different and the divine soul, who is the patron deity of that sun, is different. I told you that Sripada would disappear when he is 30 years old. He will merge in every atom of crores and crores of Brahmandas. He is omnipresent. You may ask, then what is this merger? Even though he is omnipresent, crores and crores of greater universes are situated at some distance from his power of influence. To accelerate evolutionary processes in them, he attracts them nearer to his power and influence. When a certain crisis develops in the evolutionary stages of the entire creation, Shri Dattatreya incarnates in this fashion. Magnet attracts iron. When the iron has impurities, the power of attraction becomes very weak. This kind of avatar descends when it is intended to remove all impurities and attract every atom in the creation towards him and give a fresh direction to the evolution of the universe. Digambara, Digambara, Sripada Vallabha Digambara, Brahma Vishnu Maheshwara, Sripada Vallabha Digambara, Sripada Rajam Sharanyam Prapadde.